A question that we get a lot: can you migrate BigCommerce to Shopify? The answer is, of course. Now, BigCommerce is a very capable platform, so you should have the right reason for migrating BigCommerce to Shopify. And those reasons could be better scalability, better technology, better app infrastructure. Maybe you need access to a system that Shopify integrates with that BigCommerce does not integrate with. But either way, you are able to migrate a BigCommerce site to a Shopify site. What we recommend is that you don't use an export-import tool to migrate everything from BigCommerce to Shopify, because the character limits are different, your URLs are going to change, and there are a ton of settings that you have to pay attention to so that you don't lose your organic visibility, your Google rankings, as well as your conversions that you have on BigCommerce because you're migrating to Shopify. You want to make sure that you're moving in the right direction, not in the wrong direction. You want to be going up, not going down. So what we recommend is pulling all the data, and the data is your products, product options, customers, orders, and the pages that you have on the BigCommerce platform. You pull this data through API, and then you validate it, and then you import it into Shopify again through API. That validation is key because you're gonna make sure that you don't have broken product pages, you don't have broken product titles or product URLs. Again, the character limits between the two platforms are different. And finally, you want to make sure that you do the 301 redirects. You migrate all your old URLs to the new website. There's a specific way to do this. If you don't do this, you are going to lose your organic rankings. It's like you're starting from scratch. And from a design standpoint, you need to make sure that you copy the design elements if you don't want your brand guidelines to change, or if you don't want your users to be shocked because one day they show up to your site and it's a completely different design, completely different font structure, completely different usability elements. And during this transition, you also want to improve certain things. You want to improve your search and filter functionalities. You want to improve your headers. You want to improve your design. You want your site to load faster. If you have any questions about migrating from BigCommerce to Shopify, comment below and we will respond within 24 hours.